For better English learning, turn on the subtitles in your native language.
Hi, honey. I'm home.
Oh, where have you been? You've been gone for a long time.
Well, I went to the doctor.
To the doctor? Sue, are you sick? Why didn't you tell me you weren't feeling well? I could go to the doctor with you.
Joe, dear, I'm not sick.
You're not sick?
No.
Well, if you're not sick, why did you go to the doctor?
Darling, we're going to have a baby.
A baby?
Yes.
We're going to have a baby?
Yes.
Oh, Sue! Oh, that's terrific! Oh, I'm so happy!
I know, I'm excited too.
I'm going to call all of our friends on the telephone.
Okay.
I'm going to tell them the good news. Oh, a baby?
Yes.
Hello?
Kathy,
Yes?
this is Joe. Sue is going to have a baby.
A baby? Oh, Sue, this is great. Congratulations.
Thanks, Kathy.
I'm so happy for you and Joe. This is terrific news. We must have a congratulations party. We can invite everyone.
Oh.
That is a terrific idea. We could invite your family, and we can invite the White family also.
Yes, definitely.
This is fantastic. Congratulations, Joe. Congratulations, Sue.
Thank you. Oh, Mary, this is so beautiful. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Sue.
Oh, wow. Oh, beautiful. Kathy, thank you for the lovely baby clothes. They're perfect.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure.
And Jack, it's so nice of you to give your ball for the baby to play with. Thank you.
Don't mention it.
And David, I can't thank you enough for the lovely toy you made. Are you sure it wasn't too difficult for you?
No problem. Think nothing of it.
I want you all to know we appreciate these gifts so much. They are really lovely. Thank you.
No problem.
Sure.
We are really so lucky to have such good friends. God bless you all. Thank you.
I want to thank everyone also. When our family moved into this apartment, we didn't know anyone, but now we have many new friends.
I agree. You are all very special to me. And Tina, you know how you can be a good friend to me in the future. How? You can help me take care of the baby in your free time.
You know, I'm so glad that you have moved into our apartment building. I think we've become very good friends.
Yes, we have. And I think we will all be friends for a very long time.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.